Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss some important objective questions and answers from Pride and Prejudice. It is written by Jane Austen. So let's start. Question number 1. Who wrote Pride and Prejudice? Answer is Jane Austen. Question number 2. What is the publication date of the novel? 28 January 1813. Question number 3. What was the first title of the novel? Answer is First Impression. Question number 4. What are the setting of the novel? Answer is Hertfordshire and Derbyshire. Question number 6. It is truth universally acknowledged that a single man in possession of a good fortune must be in want of a wife. Question number 7. The Bennet family lives in the village of Longbourn. Question number 8. Mr. Bingley, when he attends the ball in Meryton, seems to be quite taken with Jane. Question number 9. How does Mr. Darcy offend Elizabeth at the first ball? Answer is he refuses to dance with her. Question number 10. Elizabeth's best friend is named Charlotte Lucas. Question number 11. Why does Jane's visit to the Bingleys end up lasting 4 days? Answer is she gets shocked in a rainstorm and becomes ill. Question number 12. What does it mean that Mr. Bennet's property is entailed? Answer is it can only be inherited by a male. Question number 13. What reason does Wickham give Elizabeth for his dislike of Darcy? Answer is Darcy cheated him out of an inheritance. Question number 14. To which Bennet daughter does Mr. Collins propose marriage? Answer is Elizabeth. Question number 15. Whom does Mr. Collins marry? Answer is Charlotte Lucas. Question number 16. Why does Miss Bingley dislike Elizabeth? Answer is she is jealous of Darcy's growing attraction to Elizabeth. Question number 17. Where do the Bingleys and Darcy go for the winter? Answer is London. Question number 18. In March, Elizabeth goes to visit Charlotte Lucas. Question number 19. Lady Catherine de Bow is Darcy's aunt. Question number 20. When Darcy first proposes to Elizabeth, he spends most of the proposal dwelling on how socially unsuitable a match she is for him. Question number 21. When Darcy proposes for the first time, Elizabeth turns him down. Question number 22. Elizabeth's feelings towards Darcy begin to change when he sends her a letter explaining his actions. Question number 23. Darcy's estate is called Pemberley. Question number 24. Where does Lydia spend the summer and why? Answer is Brighton, to be near the militia regiment. Question number 25. What socially disastrous romantic decision does Lydia make? Answer is she elopes with Wickham. Question number 26. Who spearheads the search for Lydia after Mr. Bennet returns home in defeat? Answer is Mr. Gardiner. Question number 27. Who pays off Wickham, convincing him to marry Lydia? Answer is Darcy. Question number 28. When he returns to Netherfield, Mr. Bingley resumes quoting Jane. Question number 29. What does Lady Catherine forbid Elizabeth to do? Answer is marry Darcy. Question number 30. The novel ends with Bingley marrying Jane and Darcy marrying Elizabeth. Question number 31. Which daughter is Mr. Bennet's favorite? Answer is Lydia. Question number 32. Which of the Bennet sisters is the youngest? Answer is Lydia. Question number 33. After finding out about Lydia's elopement, Elizabeth runs into Darcy. Question number 34. How many children do the Gardiners have? Answer is 4. Question number 35. Whom does Caroline want Mr. Bingley to marry? Answer is Georgiana Darcy. Question number 36. Why does Charlotte marry Mr. Collins? Answer is she wants financial security. Question number 37. What is the name of Darcy's estate? Answer is Pemberley. Question number 38. Who finds Lydia and Wickham in London? Answer is Mr. Darcy. Question number 39. Mr. Bennet responds to the news of Elizabeth's engagement with skepticism. Question number 40. Why does Wickham flee from Brighton? Answer is he has accumulated over £100 gaming debt. Question number 41. Where do Lydia and Wickham go when they run off from Brighton together? Answer is London. Question number 42. Which of the Bennet sisters dislikes social events? Answer is Mary. Question number 43. What event interrupts Elizabeth's vacation with the Gardiners? Answer is Lydia's elopement with Wickham. Question number 44. Why does Elizabeth reject Darcy's initial proposal? Answer is she does not like him. Question number 45. What is the name of the estate that Bingley rents? Answer is Netherfield. Question number 46. Why does not Bingley visit Jane while she is in London? Answer is he does not know that she is there. Question number 47. What feature initially attracts Darcy to Elizabeth? Answer is her eyes. Question number 48. What is Mr. Gardiner's profession? Answer is merchant. Question number 49. Who is Mr. Collins' patroness? Answer is Lady Catherine. Question number 50. Why does Mr. Collins come to Longbourn? Answer is he is looking for a wife. Question number 51. Mrs. Bennet's reaction to Lydia's marriage is best described as unreservedly jubilant. Question number 52. Who is the governess who betrays Georgiana Darcy? Answer is Miss Young. Question number 53. With whom does Lydia go to Brighton? Answer is Mrs. Foster. Question number 54. What is the name of Bennet estate? Answer is Longbourn. Question number 55. Where do the Bennets live? Answer is Hertfordshire. Question number 56. Which two characters serves as foils for Elizabeth and Darcy? Answer is Jane and Charles Bingley. Question number 57. Which is the best to describe Mr. Bennet's behavior in the novel? Answer is detached and sarcastic. Question number 58. Which two traits define Mr. Collins? Answer is snobbery and servility. Question number 59. Which two Bennet sisters are most charmed by the soldiers? Answer is Lydia and Catherine. Question number 60. Where do Mr. Bingley and Jane Bennet first meet? Answer is a ball in Meryton. Question number 61. What word does Mr. Darcy first use to describe Elizabeth Bennet? Answer is tolerable. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.